Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant healthy millet dosa recipe. It's rich in protein and fiber and will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal as a nutrient-rich filling breakfast or as a meal for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using green moong dal sprouts for some extra fiber and protein. This is half cup of green moong dal soaked and sprouted, and it comes around 3 cups of sprouts. I have already shared how to sprout green moong dal at home. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. Please do check it out. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup of little millet, also known as chama rice or sama rice. Little millet or sama rice is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten free. Little millet is low in glycemic index, hence it is ideal to include in diabetic diet. Add in some water and I'm going to wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Locally sourced millets may contain sand, dirt or dust particles, hence it's always ideal to rinse it thoroughly. Once the little millet is rinsed, I'm adding in some more water and I'm going to allow it to soak for about 6 to 7 hours. Millets need to be soaked a bit longer than you would normally soak rice. Soaking will help to reduce the phytic acid content in millet. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors and may cause digestive issues to some people. So it's always ideal to soak millets at least for 6 hours. The little millet is nicely soaked, so I'm going to wash and rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. If you're planning to make this instant millet dosa for breakfast, you can soak it at night. If you're planning to make it as a dinner, you can soak it in the morning. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the little millet. Into this, I'm adding in the sprouted green moong dal. For some added fiber, I'm adding in a handful of fresh palak leaves, a handful of shallots for that extra antioxidants and folate, 2 green chilies or as needed, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds also known as jeera, 1/3 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, sea salt as needed, a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Today I'm using structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored overnight in a copper vessel. And I'm going to blend this really well. Pour the blended dosa batter into a bowl or a container. The batter is slightly thick but is of pourable consistency. This is the consistency I'm looking at. Now the best thing about this instant dosa batter is that you can store it in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. So this way, this will make an ideal meal prep, especially for those busy working people. The sprouted moong dal will be good for your gut health. It will help in good digestion and also will give you the much needed protein and fiber. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 ladleful of the millet dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible into a round dosa. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil or you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Cover and let it cook on low flame. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. You can see how crispy the dosa is. Just fold the dosa over and there is no need to flip over the dosa as it is cooked covered. And my super healthy crispy instant millet dosa is ready to serve. I'm serving curry leaves chutney with this instant millet dosa. So guys, do try this healthy instant millet dosa recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.